Alright, you guys, welcome back to Much Other Tutorials. Sorry I haven't unboxed in a while because I haven't found anything. Red Bull Langas, here it is. Always my trucks. I haven't found this one, but I'm glad I have it now. Here's the back. I have the snake bite, I have it. Podium Crasher, I have it. All I need is Myers Max. Or Manx, whatever. I need Steer Clear, the DeLorean, Mega Rex. That's about it for this case. I have the Batmobile already. Name, Rebel Lion, Truck Type Creature, Strength, the main event, Crash Tech Royal Pain. Pretty cool. I got this at Target today. Not easier than I thought. Okay, this is a nice casting. Awesome. Oh, the hair does have metal like the main. Look at that. Here's Rebel Lion. There it is. Green roll cage, orange tires, yellow rims, and beadlocks, and then here's a blue eyes, a lion face with the teeth, which is cool, and the paws. Really awesome, the claws it has. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks. Exhaust port here. The tail's the actual engine. Hot Wheels Monster Trucks on the side. This is a nice truck. Oh, I love it. I don't know, was this cool in person? I saw it once. I didn't buy it because I didn't have money, and I didn't see it up close, but now looking at it up close, it's nice. That's all I got today, guys. Can't wait for the 2026 ones. They're showing some already of Spin Master as well. Like, subscribe, comment, share, guys. More videos coming soon. Peace out. Hope you enjoyed.